Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to get Instagram profile photo that flips between picture and avatar. Okay, let's go ahead and begin. Let's open Instagram. And once you're here, we're gonna go ahead and go to our profile on the bottom right of our screen. Tap on the profile icon. And once you're here, you're gonna tap on edit profile. And you will be presented with these settings. And once you're here, you're gonna tap on edit picture or avatar, and then we're gonna be selecting your avatar. If you don't have an avatar, you can just go ahead and create one. But if you already have one, all you have to do is to tap add to profile picture. And once you're done, you can just go ahead and press done or check on the top right corner of your screen. And as you can see, it has been added to my profile. And not just me, but everyone can just swipe to see or switch from my profile picture or my avatar icon. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.